About 4 years ago, I decided to do an upgrade on the car and bring it up to modern standards. One of the things that I did to the car was put in an EFI, a Holley Sniper EFI unit. Changed the dynamic of the car entirely, which I was thoroughly enjoyed. And easier starting in the winter time, it changed the dynamic of the car entirely. I'm Don Warren. I brought my 1935 Chevy Master Deluxe. Just this last winter, I decided to put a blower, a supercharger on the car, and I ended up buying a second Sniper that would deliver a little bit more juice to the motor. It got a little thirstier with the blower, but with the blower and the Sniper unit, just so much more performance. And I didn't affect the starting. It's still easy starting even with the blower and the Sniper. It just works magnificently. Tons more power and throttle response. Very happy with it. I chose the Y blower because the styling, I needed a low profile blower because I didn't want to come through the top of the hood with the Sniper and the Holley intake manifold on there. You can never have enough power, and if you have to ask the question why you need more power, you wouldn't understand the answer. I'm told it's upward close to 700 horse, but I drive it everywhere. It's very reliable. It's a daily driver. It's set up in such a way that it actually doesn't have a key. It has a push button starter, but anyone could get in it, start it, and drive it. Easy drive with a lot of fun.